In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for updates in Microsoft Excel. Keeping Excel up to date ensures you get the latest features, performance improvements, and important security fixes. The process is quick, and I'll walk you through it so you can confidently check and apply updates whenever you need. With Excel open, start by going to the top left corner of the window and selecting File. This opens the Backstage view, which is where you manage settings, accounts, and application options separate from your spreadsheets. If you're used to staying on the Home tab, don't worry. Everything we need is just a click away in this file area. Next, look along the left-hand sidebar and choose Account. On some versions, you might see it labeled as Office Account, but it's the same place. This section shows your product information and is the central spot for managing updates. You'll see details about your license, version, and most importantly, the controls for updating the app. On the right side of the account page, find the Product Information area. Here, click the button labeled Update Options. It's a small drop-down that controls how Excel updates are handled. When you open it, you'll see a few choices related to updates and how they're delivered. From that drop-down, choose Update Now. As soon as you click this, Excel will begin checking Microsoft's servers to see if a newer version is available for your device. If an update exists, it will start downloading and installing it automatically. During this time, you might see a progress indicator. If you're working on important files, it's a good idea to save your work before the update completes, because Excel may need to close and reopen to finish the installation. If you're on a work or school computer, your organization might manage updates for you. In that case, the Update Options button could be limited or disabled, and Excel will follow your IT department's schedule. That's normal, and you can reach out to them if you need a specific update. Once the process finishes, Excel typically shows a message confirming you're up to date. You can return to the account page at any time to see the current version information and confirm that the latest build is installed. A stable internet connection helps the process run smoothly, and you can repeat these steps anytime you want to manually verify your update status. And that's it. By going to File, selecting Account, opening Update Options, and choosing Update Now, you'll keep Excel running at its best. Thanks for watching, and happy updating.